They will talk about how to turn off allow functional cookies on the application of Trello. You will go to this application of Trello here. You will go to this sign. Then you will enter to settings. After that, we click on profile and visibility. Here in this page, you will click in the sign of settings, and you will click here when you will find it. Sorry, you will wait a moment. Then we go to settings here. After that, you will scrolling down until you find this window of manage cookie preferences. Here you will find this sign and you will click. And then here we click on confirm. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.